Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Hope you guys are doing well. Here I am with a very short video. This is my bougainvillea, still in bloom. Look at the pretty colors. I just wanted to share this particular plant again, as I was loving the colors. It was still attached to the plant. Look at the colors, pink and white. Beautiful. Now that's my syngonium peeping. That's the pink syngonium. I have not shown you this plant for a very long time, so I thought why not show it to you, as it was showing off its new pink leaves. Look at it. It's a pretty plant. And once you plant it, it is not troublesome at all. And look at this beauty. I had forgotten about her. This is my Echeveria pulvinate ruby. Look at it. What a beauty it is. It's doing very well, but the heat of the summers has burnt it a little bit on some of its sides, but the winter sun is loved by this plant. Anyway, the color is nice. And look at the striking color, as the name of the plant is the neon pothos. Look at the vibrant color. Isn't it pretty? Wherever you keep it, it is going to brighten up your space. That's my Spidey again, the spider plant, which will never disappoint you. Although I've shown this plant earlier, I'm showing it to you again. That is my variegated pothos, one of my all-time favorite. Look at it. Some months back it was looking a bit ragged, although the term is not right, but now it is looking healthy and happy, I should say. There, this is the reason why I had shown you the Spidey plant earlier. This is another variety of spider plant. It is also lovely. Now that's my chrysanthemum, which is still in bloom in the month of May. Just imagine. See, although the color of the flower has changed, but it is still blooming, and I can see a small bud there as well. So as I have told you in the beginning of the video, it is going to be a very short one. So it is this that I have to show you. Well, the neon pothos is a very delicate one among all the pothos. Pulvinate ruby. There is my pinky syngonium. Anyway friends, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do not forget to share, subscribe and comment. To hit the like button if you found the video useful and interesting. If you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by, and do not forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more of interesting videos on different topics, and I'm sure you will not regret. So it is bye bye for today.